For materials, you are just going to need red, green, white, and black yarn, a 5mm hook, and some scissors. And we're gonna jump right into it. Starting with our red yarn, we are going to create a magic ring. Pull it through, twist, backstring, chain. Into the magic ring, you are going to do 6 single crochets. Pull the string to close it off, and slip stitch into that first chain. So we have a little circle. For row 2, you're going to chain 2, 1 double crochet into that same chain 2, and then 2 double crochets in every chain around the circle. Just like that, and then you're going to slip stitch again back to the other side, closing it to make a circle. For row 3, you're going to chain 2. In the same chain of 2, you're going to put 1 double crochet. In the next one, just 1, and then an increase of 2, and that's what we are repeating all the way around. So in the next one, 1, and another increase, all the way around. On that last chain of an increase, slip stitch to the other side, and that's what we have. For row 4, chain 2, we are going to increase into that chain 2 of 1 more double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Now you're going to chain 12, skip 7, double crochet into the 8th, like that. Double crochet into the next one, and then do an increase into the 3rd. And then you're just going to repeat chain 12, skip 7, which will just be slip stitching back into the other side. Like this. So now I'm just going to actually just chain 1 more and cut this off because we're gonna swap over to our white. You can do this however you like. I just like to cut it off. I just like to make a loose slip knot and pull it out. And you can really attach this anywhere. Just pull it through and chain 1. Now we are just going to do a row of single crochets all the way around. I like to do a single crochet into our first chain. I just like to go through the hole because it covers up the red, and which we want. So you want to do 12 to the corner and across the 3, 4 because we had the increase, sorry. 12 more through this hole. And then corner and slip stitch back to the first. Once again, we are going to chain 1, cut it off. Obviously next we will be taking our green and attaching it just the same. So we're going to chain to close it, chain 1 more. In the same chain we just did, a double crochet, and then just 1. In the next one, an increase. And that's the pattern that we are repeating around for this round. 1, and then increase. And then here we are back at the end, slip stitch to the other side. And this is coming along. So as you can see, one side the white looks gross, and one side the white looks way better. Turn it over. See, looks way better on that side. And that's what we are looking for that round. We are now going to chain 2 and do 2 double crochets into every chain. Connecting it back together. Chain 1 and cut it off. Look how freaking cute this is coming. Okay. Next we just need to make the straps, so take whatever color that is that you want. Do the exact same method to attach that we have been, and you're going to want to do this somewhere in the middle of the ear holes here, so if you, but from the inside, so flip it this way, just like somewhere right there. And you're just going to chain 25. Cut it off and tie it. you're just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. There we go, looking so cute. Now just for the seeds, taking our black string, obviously you can put the seeds anywhere. To start it off, I just like to pull one side up and then close by, however big you want your seed, pull it back down. So then I just like to make that decently long and cut it off. And now you're just going to weave in and out around the red part. Well, just like sewing, weaving in and out. So I'm just going to do that exact technique and I'll come back when it's done. And just like that, we have finished. Look at this. Ah! It's going to be so cute. I need to get this on a cat stat.